Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and I do not have a graphic for you today. I'm just gonna go through some things with the weather models, and that'll just be this video. If you guys didn't know, there's an upcoming rainstorm coming up around Monday, March 9th, which is tomorrow from when this video is uploaded. And this video I'll be focusing the most on the Midwest, so I'll just say that now, focusing more on the Midwest, because, yeah. You see here, this is the Canadian model. We're starting off with Canada, the GDPS. And you can see here the rainstorm starts pushing its way through the Midwest. And by hour 30, it's affecting most of the Midwest. Also bringing ice, according to Canada. We'll look through every single model. And by every single one, I mean two. Bringing ice in northern Iowa and Nebraska. So watch out for ice there. And then by hour 36, it comes to a more moderate rain in the Midwest. And let's look at the soundings here. For my county, there's one loose match for tornadoes, though I don't think the storm will be strong. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a thunder outlook. Like, you know how there's like marginal, slight, enhanced. They issued just a baseline thunder one for my area and much of the other areas. And a strong storm cannot be ruled out during this event, so just be aware and watch for that. You can see here by hour 42, it starts making its way through the Midwest and starts ending west. Starts ending. And then by hour 48, most of it's gone from the Midwest except some lingering showers in Illinois. But then it moves on to eastern Great Lakes like Michigan and Ohio. And then it pushes its way out. Let's look at the sounding in Indiana. The main thing I'm looking for in soundings are these supercell things down here. The STP and SARS and also the storm slinky. The storm slinky, with that shape, kind of means like short-lived storms in a way. And I also look at these bars, little things, that's the wind direction, and I don't know why it won't let me scroll up. And also it shows possible hazard type, which is none, but I do think there will be a couple strong storms with these storms. Now, moving on to hour 72, some snow showers and stuff move in. So, like, not that much to worry. Oh, I clicked the wrong hour! Okay, 96. Okay, 108. Okay, let's go back. Hour 102, which is March 12th, 18Z. Another system rolls into the Midwest, according to Canadian models. And this storm has some loose matches, but no possible hazard types. Now let's look at one in Illinois. I just like clicking randomly. Oh! Okay. According to the Canadian model, in Illinois, your possible hazard type is marginal severe. And according to the tornado outlook, it looks like you don't have much of a tornado threat, but you do have 7 loose matches for significant hail. And numbers are up over here in the supercell, so yeah, okay. According to Canada, you guys might get some stronger storms down in Illinois and Missouri. It looks to be very isolated, though, I'll say that. And now, this isn't a guarantee. This is the Canadian model, not the American or European model. So just watch for that. Just be aware of that this is a possibility. This is one of those events that could happen. So, yeah, be aware of that. And then I believe we have another pretty major system according to the Canadian model coming up on March 17th. I believe it's the Canadian model that showed it. Just see. We'll find out. Let's see here. Trying to find it. I think it's the GFS, not the Canadian one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is the GFS, so my bad. You see another system rolling through around March 17th and 18th. But now let's look at the GFS to get more confirmation. Okay, let's see here. Okay, yeah, this is it. According to the GFS, again, Canada shows the storm hitting later and weaker, whereas the GFS shows it hitting earlier and stronger. So that's how you can see how things differ. But this could be a very major storm to watch, because to the north you'll have ice storms and lots of snow. But to the south, come on. To the south, you could have a pretty solid chance for severe storms. You have lots of loose matches all over the place. And I'll show you where it gets severe around hour 2:16 according to the GFS. When it moves through Wisconsin, Wisconsin is the one affecting most of this. You can see there is a supercell match and loose matches. But if you go a little north, you still have supercell matches. Oh God, my nose. Yeah, you have supercell matches all over the place. And more loose matches. Like, this could be a very potentially powerful storm that will bring severe weather. Like, yeah, you can see down south, you have marginal severe. Mainly in southern Illinois. Then we move to hour 222. This is where it gets severe for Wisconsin. Where Wisconsin gets its batch. Southeast Wisconsin, you have marginal severe. Remember, this thing could change directions anytime. It could move south. But a little north, my bad. A little north it says none, but I think that's just soundings being very picky with where I click. So just in general, you should expect some sort of strong to severe thunderstorms in the Midwest and Great Lakes on March 17th or 18th. And now these are storms that we do have to watch closely because they could change in a blink of an eye. And by, more marginal. And by a blink of an eye, I mean like 6 hours until it updates again. Marginal tornado down here. Like, you do have chances for tornadoes. Like, you can see here, if there's a tornado, you could expect up to an EF2 tornado according to that. And where did I click for that one? I think it was right here. No. I do not remember where I clicked. Was it here? Oh my God, where did I click? Was it next to my county? No, it wasn't. But it shows here next to my county I could expect EF0, EF1 tornadoes if the tornado were to touch the ground. Usually, southeast Wisconsin, where I live, we don't get severe weather till like May, June. But as I said, I'm predicting above average severe weather season, tornado season. So just be aware, like, these storms look pretty dangerous, but again, okay, there's a marginal tornado. Looks to be very isolated though. But that's that. That's your trusted weather forecast for these upcoming severe storms. Things could change, definitely. Just watch the models, watch your forecasts. I'll make another video when time gets closer. Goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe.